How to ensure your Chrome browser is always running the latest version. Updating Chrome to the latest version is important to ensure you have access to the latest features, security patches, and performance improvements. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to update Chrome. Number 1. Open Chrome browser. Launch the Chrome browser on your computer. You can find the Chrome icon in your Applications folder, Windows, or the Applications folder Mac. Alternatively, you can search for Chrome in the search bar or use the taskbar if you have Chrome pinned there. Number 2. Access Chrome menu. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You will see 3 vertically aligned dots on Windows or Linux, or 3 horizontal lines on Mac. This is the Chrome menu icon. Click on it to open the menu. Number 3. Navigate to Settings. In the drop-down menu that appears after clicking the Chrome menu icon, scroll down and select Settings. This will open a new tab with Chrome settings options. Number 4. Check for updates. In the Settings tab, scroll down and locate the About Chrome option. Click on it. Number 5. Checking for updates. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If there is a newer version available, Chrome will begin downloading it. If Chrome is up to date, it will display a message saying Google Chrome is up to date. Number 6. Restart Chrome. If Chrome downloaded an update, you will be prompted to relaunch the browser to apply the update. Click on the relaunch button to restart Chrome. Number 7. Verify update. After Chrome restarts, go back to the About Chrome section in Settings to ensure that the update was successfully installed. It should display the latest version number. Number 8. Enjoy the latest version. Once the update is verified, you are all set. You now have the latest version of Google Chrome installed on your computer, complete with all the latest features, security enhancements, and bug fixes. That's it. You have successfully updated Google Chrome to the latest version. Remember, keeping your browser up to date is crucial for security and performance reasons. And that's it. Before we say goodbye, I am grateful for each and every view, like, comment, and share. Your support means the world to us. Creating content for you is a privilege, and I am honored to be a part of your YouTube experience. Your feedback is very valuable to us. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with your friends and family. Your support helps us grow and improve. Thank you again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay blessed, stay inspired, and keep spreading positively wherever you go. Until next time, take care and farewell.